Hi, and welcome to Pink for Kids. Today we are making pasta with zucchini. Here I have my ingredients list and all the instructions. They will be linked down in the description. And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and press that notification bell to see every time I post. First, we are going to wash all the ingredients so they are sparkly clean. Okay, so here is all of the ingredients washed. Okay, so you're just gonna cut the zucchini into things. First, you are going to cut the top and the bottom off. Then, you are gonna cut them in half.
If you are not comfortable with cutting, make sure to get an adult for help.
To cut these into slices. And then once you've cut it into slices, we're just gonna slice it. Okay, now that you have cut all your zucchini, you are going into a bowl. So you can set it aside and cut your onion. Now you are gonna take your onion and you are just gonna cut it. A large onion is good, but a small onion works fine too. Just that is how oniony you like it. And you're gonna cut the whole thing until it is chopped pretty finely.
Now that is all chopped up, you are just gonna put it in the bowl.
Okay, next you are going to cut some thyme. You can either get it fresh from your garden or just buy it. You are just going to put that in with the onions and zucchini. Now that you have done all of this, you are going to put that in a saucepan with 1/4 cup of oil. You are just going to cook that, stirring occasionally. You're going to add some salt and pepper. You can get a wooden spoon and stir that up. You are going to get a pan and put some water in it and then boil it. And then once it is boiling, we're going to put some salt in it. You are just going to wait about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the onion and the zucchini release the juices and have it down browning. While that is cooking, add some tomatoes that you are going to put in your sauce later. So you should do about 3 small tomatoes, 2 big tomatoes. These are pretty small tomatoes, so I'm going to do about 3 of them. Let's go check on the zucchini. It's starting to cook a little bit. It's about 15 more minutes. So this is all the tomatoes. You want to keep the juices so it keeps the zucchini mixture nice and moist. See you in about 15 minutes. Okay, so it has been a while and the stuff is getting pretty tender. Now I'm going to add all the tomato and all the juice from the tomato so it makes it a little. Now you're just going to mix that up. Now that we've done that, we should put the pasta into the boiling water. So here I have some penne, and then pour that right in for about 10 minutes until it's nice and tender. And if the stuff is threatening to get dry, you're just gonna put some of this pasta water in to make it a little bit saucier. And then once this boils, you are going to turn the heat down. Okay, so the pasta is done. It's been 10 minutes, and I'm gonna drain it. And then I will add the pasta into the sauce and let it cook. And then I will garnish it with whatever you want. This part is kind of dangerous, so you will want an adult to help. It's very hot. And so then the drained pasta, you are going to put in the sauce and let it cook for a few minutes. And then you're going to garnish it with all the toppings. Okay, that looks really good. And then you can put really whatever you want on top. Okay, you are just going to serve that and put the stuff on top. Okay, here is my thing. So I'm going to put some fresh parsley and onions on top, and some Parmesan. So here it is. It is some nice pasta with zucchini. I'm gonna try this. It's really good with the Parmesan top, and then you taste all the vegetables, but also the pasta. It's really well flavored, and yeah. Well, if you want, you can add more salt or pepper or whatever you want. But this is really good, and I would recommend it. That was some zucchini pasta by Cooking for Kids. I super hope you liked that video. And if you did, make sure to try out this recipe. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see every time I post.